Hi friends, I'm Parikshit from Kids Fun Club, and today we are going to make a flower out of paper.
So what do we need for that?
I need
Some colored papers
yeah,
cut in circular shape.
and you can also see. You can also take a white paper and you can color it also.
Yeah, if you don't have colored papers,
Yeah.
you can take white paper,
What?
cut it into circular shapes
Shapes.
of approx 4 to 5 centimeter, and then you can
You can color it.
yes. So we need 7. How many do we have? Please count, Parikshit.
1, 2, 3. How much? 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8.
8. You need
And a
8.
white sheet of paper,
Yeah.
fairy stick, and some sketch pens.
Pens. And this.
This is the surprise element that we have.
Yeah. We are not going to show it now.
Yeah. So what do we have to do with these? We have to fold them. This is circular paper.
Yeah.
You have to fold it into this manner.
This manner.
So we folded all of the 8 circular paper in this manner. So how do we
Yeah.
start now? Which color do you want to start with?
I want to start with red.
We're going to take and we're going to stick it this way.
Yeah.
So we're going to put some fairy stick at the corners,
Yeah. How?
at the edge. First you have to roll it. Not so much. What are you doing?
I'm.
Okay. Now
Mhm.
we stick it like this.
Now we stick it like this.
Yes. Then which color do you want to use? Blue,
Blue.
green, purple, what? Want to have light on your face?
Oh.
Want to fix something? Okay. Then I
Let's
think
start with blue.
yellow.
Okay.
Then we're going to put the glue again at the same place.
But let me also do
Yes, the rest you are only going to do. And we're going to stick it.
like this.
Yes. We're going to spread it so that it looks like a flower. Next.
It is
Which
going-
color?
I want to do pink.
Okay.
Favorite.
Some more. No, not on the top. Not on the top.
Okay.
How do you stick it? Like this. We'll follow a particular pattern. Okay. We're going to stick it everything in this manner.
Yeah.
The curved part has to be on the top. Okay.
Yeah.
Then which color do we need?
We need green. Green is my favorite color because you can color so much things with green.
Really?
Grasses, trees.
Your favorite colors keep changing. No, sometimes your favorite color is golden. Sometimes your favorite color is black. Sometimes
Yeah.
it's purple.
Yeah.
It keeps changing, no?
Yes.
Like seasons.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have to be careful to spread it like a flower.
Yeah.
Okay. Next. Why are you coloring the desk, Parisha? What are you planning to do? Okay.
Yep.
Choose another one. Any other color. Let us go with yellow now.
No. We are going with orange.
You like to do craft work? No?
Yeah.
You enjoy doing craft?
Yes.
Which is the most favorite activity of yours? Drawing, craft, coloring?
Teaching.
What else? What do you like?
I love
His
sports.
favorite activity is
Sports.
I'm talking about indoor activities. I'm
Yes.
not talking about.
Yes, it is indoor. He does that on the bed.
Oh my god, what is that?
I play.
Should we tell?
No.
Or should we keep quiet?
You.
You should tell, I think.
No.
So we have to follow a particular pattern and keep the curve side. Oh no, this went wrong.
This went. Oh no, this went wrong.
Yeah. Okay.
I think we need 7 only.
No, we need. It's going to look nice and colorful and bright. At the count of 5. 1, 2. At the count of 5. 1, 2, 3. What's happening?
There is a ghost in our house. Yeah. I think we need 9. I think we need 9.
We are trying this for the very first time. Let us see how does it turn out. And I hope it looks nice. Is it? Now this is a surprise element. Where's the surprise element?
I'm not even sure.
No?
This is the surprise element. No.
Who's cut that? Sure.
I'm going to show it.
We're going to put this in the center of the
I'm
flower.
not going to give you the fairy stick.
Stick it in the middle, okay?
I did it.
You have to be very careful. Your hands should not be sticky. Your fingers should not be sticky.
Ah!
Wait! We have to finish this first.
I'm going to take this box. Give you this box.
Now what are we going to do? We're going to draw a
Nothing. We're not going to draw anything.
stem
No.
and a leaf. Yes. I got this.
I want to do it.
Draw a stem and leaf.
Okay. I'm going to make a big stamp.
Like this, okay? Curve it a little bit once it comes down. That's it. That's it.
And some mud. Very cool.
Your mud looks like a cloud.
Let it.
Now, leaves. Beautiful green color leaves.
Yes.
Which is a favorite green vegetable?
Bottle gourd.
So, flower is ready.
Yeah.
It looks so nice and colorful.
This does not open.
It opens.
How do you do it?
It does not look too beautiful.
It looks very colorful and beautiful. You can add one more strip of paper over here, isn't it? Yeah. So the flower is ready.
Yeah.
You
Wow.
can color the mud. You can decorate the paper. You can draw some clouds. You can draw some birds. And Parikshit will be back with some another paper craft.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah. If you love this craft, do like and subscribe my channel to see more crafts.
Hey!